In this video, we will show you how to create reports in the basic mode. If you remember, in the previous videos, we have created a sample test comp in the basic mode also for shift A and did a measurements for the first joint. If you're and by taking a look at the top right box, you can see that the format is basic. Before going to the details, we'll take a relook at the components that we have defined for this one. The test comp. Here, as we discussed in the video for component template in basic mode, what we have done is we created a single joint template which shall be used for all the joints in the component. So if you have 10 or 15 or 20 joints in a component, for measuring all those joints, we are using a single joint template. You can also create multiple joint templates for different joints if your parameter list is different. For example, if out of the 10 joints you have in a component, 4 joints have some 8 parameters and rest of the joints are of different type and as well 4 parameters, then you can create 2 joint templates and use those templates to do the measurements. So first joint template will be used to measure the 4 joints that are similar and the second joint template shall be used to measure the remaining 6 joints that are similar. Or if you have 3 types of joints, then you can create 3 joint templates in the basic mode. So the definitions are slightly different between the basic mode and advanced mode. In the advanced mode, we create an entry for each joint in the component. Whereas in the basic mode, we make an entry for a joint template for a specific type of joint. And while, if you remember, while saving the measurement, there only you will give you the actual joint name which we were measuring using this joint template. Now, while looking at the report, it will be clear for you. Now we have created only a single joint template job 1 and using that we measured a joint. Now we are opening that. So this will show you the your image and the result. The process is same for creating reports for basic and advanced mode. You click on view edit work details. Now if you see here, we have saved it with the reference WJ206. This is the actual joint name in the component. So if you are using the job 1 joint template for measuring all the joints in a component, while saving here in the reference, we will give you the actual name in the component. So if you have another joint with the WJ207, we will be using again the same joint template job 1 for measuring the second joint, but while saving the work, we will be giving the corresponding name. Now if you click on the create work report, the work create report button, it will create a report in PDF. Now if you see the format, this is the default format of Weldite. Your customer name, your address, your logo. Here there are no rules or joint type definitions. It will just show you the part name, part number, when you did it, all those informations, your work and your result, your expected, actual, tolerance plus, tolerance minus, and pass or fail status. This is the same format you will get in Excel also if you have selected the Excel file format. Next report is a report at component level. In basic mode also you can create a report at component level. For that you clear the work, you go to reports, create work report. You select the corresponding date range. You will see the samples that are created for the date. We have done those work only for one joint. You select that report detail. It will give you a report at a component level. Here there are two options. If you look at the screen, you have an option include component image. This is not selected. This means it will not show you the component master image you have set in the component template. It will just only show the joints. So if you have done the measurement for multiple joints, it will show continuously all the joints in multiple pages. If you see here, this is the link to the component. Now we will create a report with component image. So what will I do? We have to select the include component image but option, then create a report. So this will create a report with the first page as the component image, and the remaining pages it will show you the your results. So if you see here, the format is slightly different. The first page, first it will show you the component. We see here WJ206. So this data is for this joint WJ206. Similarly, if you have done the measurement for other joints, while saving, you will give this actual link name in the reference column, which will link that specific saved work to your component. So the rest of the measurements also comes continuously below that. This is a component level report.